Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm back again with another mini pocket letter. This is my Mother's Day mini pocket letter and this is going out for a swap out of Swapper's Corner. And I hope she enjoys it. I used my Mother's Day digital kit available in my Etsy shop, and I just used a few of the images. So this is one of the postcard images here. Little boy writing a letter to my darling mother. I used one of the backs of the postcards and a piece of lace. I don't know if you can see that behind here. I used this large piece of paper that was gifted to me. I have been, oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun using this week. I used it for the coffee pocket letters and the coffee things, and then also for the Mother's Day. So I'm loving it. So down here, so we have this, we have the boy at the desk. I've added some of the bling bling bling, and I have painted it with the glitter fingernail polish. So the next one has a mother's song, and that is one of the music pages, and it is in the Mother's Day digital kit, a mother's song. There's also, I'll have to look. I can't remember if there's another page of music or not, because I found more images. So this is a lady and a little girl, and there's actually on the postcard, there's someone over here playing piano, but I just cut it out and put those together with, I bunched up the music and put a piece of the lace and one of the flowers that was gifted to me in a swap or a rack. I now have so many piles of stuff I don't know where things came from. Here is my favorite Mother's Day card, and it says this little piggy went to the market, and she's actually counting playing this little piggy. I think it's so cute. So I've used that from the digital kit. We have some lace here, another one of the bling bling bling. I made sure that I had this part of the paper for the sides so that it would coincide with everything. And then the Happy Mother's Day came from a flower card. From the flower shop. So if you're buying some flowers, you might ask for a Mother's Day card. I'm down to like 4 or 5 of them left. I have them. They're not vintage, because they're from the 90s. They're from when I had my flower shop. So that was behind a donut shop. That we owned the donut shop too. Okay, so I've gifted her some of the other Mother's Day cards printed out here. A couple of the Mother's Song images. Here's her note. There's some lace. There's a label. There is one of the flat, what is that? It's a paper clip, a flat paper clip that I made, and it says Inspire, and it has this bead, and then there's a tag made out of one of the Mother's Day images, and I also gave her some bling. So the tassel is just a piece of lace, and then this lace that I actually cut in half because it was too big, and this really cute pink trim that also is on the paper clip. So I also included one of the little angels, for Mother's Day. And so this is just a butterfly clasp, I think they're called. I don't know, my box isn't here. And then a pony bead, and I just did it short like this. She can attach it to something. She could even take it apart and make a necklace out of it like I've done before. So there we go, the Mother's Day mini pocket letter for this swap in Swapper's Corner. I hope she enjoys it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here and have an amazing day. Bye.